Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to override the Honeywell thermostat in 2026. So before changing any of the settings, it's very important for you to know that Honeywell thermostat often offers you two types of overrides. So the first one is the temporary hold that changes the temperature until the next scheduled program period, while the second one is the permanent hold that ignores the schedule completely and maintains your selected temperature indefinitely. So first of all, you need to start with these up and the down arrow buttons on the thermostat. Then you just have to simply set the temperature that you want the system to maintain. Now, as soon as you adjust the temperature, the thermostat enters into the override mode. Now, in most of the FocusPRO 5000 or 6000 models, you just have to simply change the temperature and it is going to create the temporary hold for you. You will typically see the word temporary or temporary hold, which will be displayed on this particular screen, and the thermostat will keep these settings until the next programmed scheduled period begins. But if you want to bypass the schedule completely, you just have to simply press this particular hold button. So this way the display should change to permanent hold, and once it is activated, the thermostat will ignore all the programmed temperature changes and it will continue maintaining that selected temperature. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.